Sylvia and her son were out one day running errands. As they're on their way home, her son Matthew laughed and said, "Do you smell that?" She noticed the odor coming from her air vents and turned them off and rolled down the windows. It smelled like something had rotted in the vents and worried about what they might be breathing in. Sylvia headed to her local auto shop. The technician listened to the issue. He said, "Yes, it's not a great smell. A clogged air filter might start to develop an odor. It can be unpleasant, like rotten eggs or a burning smell." Think of it like a coffee filter. You can't reuse the same filter over and over because it would get clogged with old grounds and create terrible old coffee. Your car actually has two air filters. The first one stops the lovely smells your engine produces from getting into your vehicle through your air vents. The second one stops dirt, leaves, and dust from getting into your engine. If clogged, your engine can barely breathe, which can cause low gas mileage, your engine running rough, or not at all. Turns out it was a fast, simple replacement, and Matthew and Sylvia were back on the road breathing fresh air. If you're having some of the same issues or have any questions, give us a call and talk to one of our friendly auto repair experts today.